What's up, marshmallow lovers? It's your girl, Chef Farrell, back again with another recipe just in time for Fat Tuesday. We've got some hurricane marshmallows. For this recipe, you're going to need sugar, passion fruit, which I found frozen passion fruit at Whole Foods, a lime cut in half and juiced, light rum, dark rum, pomegranate juice, orange juice, corn syrup, and gelatin. In a liquid measure, you'll combine 1 ounce of pomegranate juice, 2 ounces of orange juice, 4 ounces of light rum, 4 ounces of dark rum, and half a lime juiced. This should yield you about 10 ounces. In a microwavable bowl, add 4 ounces of the liquid. Then add 2 ounces of gelatin. Make sure you sprinkle it on top and then mix it together until completely combined. In a large pot, you're going to add 3 cups of sugar and the passion fruit. With the remaining 6 ounces of liquid and 2 ounces of corn syrup. Place on the stovetop and cook until it's 230 degrees Fahrenheit. When your sugar syrup hits 225 degrees, microwave your gelatin for 30 seconds at a time until it's melted. Once your sugar syrup hits 230 degrees, you'll combine that in the microwavable bowl with your melted gelatin. Although the gelatin and the passion fruit have completely dissolved, I still like to pass it through a strainer into the mixing bowl. Then place it on high and let it whip in your mixer until it doubles or triples in size. You'll be able to tell that your marshmallows are getting thicker as it begins to lighten and the beater starts to leave like a figure 8 mark inside of your marshmallows. Today I'm doing piped marshmallows, so I like to get a really big container so I can do this hands-free and put my piping bag down inside of the tall container. Because of the uncooked alcohol in this recipe, it is a little bit thinner than my usual marshmallows. Then I'll pour my marshmallows into the piping bag. Using your favorite silicone mold, you're going to spray it with vegetable spray to make sure that your marshmallows don't stick. Then I cut a hole inside of my piping bag and start piping. Allow your marshmallows to set for about 8 hours before demolding. Then you're going to powder them in powdered sugar. When you're ready to serve your hurricane marshmallows, top it with maraschino cherries and slices of oranges. Be sure to comment below the next marshmallow recipe you'd like to see me make. And don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. See you next time on the Marshmallow of the Month Club with Chef Farrell.